Struggling to make videos that actually sell while your bank account looks like a ghost town? Imagine if AI handled the scripts, the visuals, the animations, and even the voiceovers for you. And no, you don't need a Hollywood studio or a computer that sounds like it's hosting NASA. Today, we're testing something wild, a new AI that creates high-converting VSLs in minutes, automatically. Hey, this is Kamal from testedapps.com. Over 6+ years in affiliate marketing, SEO, and video reviews, I've tested more video creation tools than cups of coffee I've spilled on my keyboard. And that's saying a lot. If you want to turn attention into sales using videos without crying into editing software, you're in the right place. Stick with me till the end because I've put together an exclusive bonus bundle for action takers. These are tools and resources that actually help you make money with VSL Studio, not random PDF wallpapers. The link is in the description. It's a powerful AI-driven software that creates video sales letters automatically. It writes the script, builds your structure, creates visuals, animations, and voiceovers. And then it delivers a polished, conversion-optimized VSL ready to sell your product or service. This is perfect for affiliate marketers, course creators, agencies, and anyone who wants to use videos to convince viewers to click that buy button. You can build persuasive sales videos even if you hate writing scripts, hate recording your own voice, or hate editing for 12 hours straight because your laptop moves slower than a sloth at nap time. How it works. VSL Studio works in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Pick your niche or paste your URL. Basically, tell the AI what you're selling. Step 2. Choose your design style. Whiteboard animation, stock footage, character animation, even papercraft. Yes, your product can now look like a Pixar short. Step 3. Press generate and boom, you get a high-converting VSL written and built for you. You can edit anything you want, or do nothing and pretend you worked really hard. I won't tell. Benefits breakdown. Here's where it shines. You save hours every week. You skip hiring expensive voice actors. You avoid painful back-and-forth revisions. You get more sales because VSLs just work. You create content consistently, which means more traffic and commissions. Plus, VSL Studio uses proven marketing frameworks. That means the videos are not just pretty, they're designed to sell. Now let's talk about pricing. The front-end starter plan is only $47 one time. Not monthly, one time. Tools like InVideo, Synthesia, or Doodly can cost between $29 to $149 per month. Not here. You get 1,000 credits a month. That's around 10 full videos at 70 seconds or 20 short videos at 35 seconds. And it includes 6 professional styles and 720p quality. If you want extra credits, there's a bump that gives 2,000 more credits per month. Perfect if you want to scale fast. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
This is your official invite to the biggest video creation breakthrough of the year. Imagine automating your video production, but not just automating the video, automating your video conversions too. Upload a single document, a PDF, or input a website URL. Simple as that, and end up with a polished, high-converting, long video just like that in a matter of minutes. Yes, what used to take hours now takes 3 minutes with our AI-powered masterpiece, VSL Studio. You can have videos like this in any of 12 different styles.
Discover a dining experience that sparks real connection. Savor chef-curated dishes made with fresh, local ingredients. The perfect atmosphere, right here in your neighborhood.
Just add your URL, pick a style, the resolution, the voice, and generate. Then sit back while AI writes your script, creates the graphics, your video comes to life in just minutes. And best of all, know that your video is built to convert. That's right, because persuasive marketing frameworks like AIDA, PAS, Star Story Solution, and more are actually built directly into the AI. So all the work and guesswork are done for you. VSL Studio is the world's first AI that automates both the video creation and the video conversions. And during our exciting launch event, you're going to see it live in action. Now, right now is your chance to get ahead of the rest of the crowd that are sure to be knocking down the doors for this one. And here's why you want to register now rather than later, because everyone who joins the pre-launch list right now gets an exclusive Black Friday coupon. And yes, this exclusive Black Friday discount will be even bigger than our launch discount. So if you wait until the actual launch itself, you'll pay more. You'll also get early demo access, bonus giveaways, and priority entry to our live launch webinars, which are sure to be full. Inside the webinar, I will be revealing how VSL Studio completely eliminates the old way of making videos. No writers, no video designers, no voice talent, no render delays, and most importantly, no editing. This thing writes your script, it builds your structure, it generates the visuals, it creates the animations, it produces the voiceover, and the outputs, of course, come out polished with a conversion-ready video sales letter in minutes, far beyond old video products that just take your content and spit out a generic, really hokey-looking video. I want to emphasize that nothing else like this exists, and Sunday, December 7th, is the first time anyone will see it. We are running 2 live sessions, one Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, and one Monday morning, an encore at 10 a.m. Eastern Time for anyone who can't make it, of course, on Sunday. Your Black Friday coupon will apply for either webinar. Register once and you're in for both, and you could use that coupon that you're getting right now. So go ahead, enter your name and email right here on this page. Unlock your Black Friday bonus coupon. Reserve your December 7th and 8th seat, and I'll see you live for the biggest video creation launch of the year. Don't miss this. It's going to change everything.
Let's quickly go through the upgrades. OTO1 VSL Studio Pro, $67. Unlocks multilingual videos, scenes mode for full customization, and one voice clone. If you want to sell globally, this one's a beast. OTO2 VSL Studio Business, $97. Extends video length to 105 seconds and gives you priority rendering so your video doesn't get stuck in a traffic jam. OTO3 VSL Studio Booster plus styles, $127. Add 6 more beautiful animation styles and 2,000 extra monthly credits. If your goal is weekly or daily videos, this is worth it. There is also a Pro Bundle deal at $167, which includes the front end, Pro, Business, and Booster styles. Best value if you want the full system without thinking too hard. I've already created multiple sample VSLs with this software, and they look insanely professional. The pacing, visuals, and voiceovers are way better than what I could hire for under $500. The fact that it does this in minutes still feels illegal, but I'm not calling the cops. Just to be clear, it's not for lazy people who plan to buy it and never use it. And it's not going to magically replace your marketing brain. You still need a product and a plan. But if you want videos that sell without tech headaches, this is one of the best tools I've reviewed this year. Picture this. You wake up tomorrow, fire up VSL Studio, click a few buttons, and boom, your product suddenly has a professional sales video turning viewers into buyers. While your competitors are still begging freelancers to deliver revisions, you're already converting traffic and stacking commissions. The launch discounts are temporary. Once they're gone, they're gone. So grab it now, lock in the lowest one-time price, and claim my exclusive bonuses before they disappear. Hit like if this helped you. Subscribe for more honest reviews that actually save you money. Drop a comment if you want me to create a live tutorial or show more examples. This is Kamal from testedapps.com, signing off. Go build something awesome today.